What's up? That was very loud. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back with another video. I'm finally uploading a video after like 5 months or so. I mean, it's not like anybody's watching, but hey, my fans are waiting for a video. Well, you could probably tell by the title. We're doing a vlog. We're doing a vlog for this week's video. I know I'm officially a YouTuber because I'm finally uploading a vlog. It's like the most YouTuber thing you could do. So yeah, this weekend me and my family decided we wanted to go on a vacation. And by vacation I mean we're going to Austin, Texas. Good old Austin, Texas. And we're gonna go camping. So it's a camping vlog. I hate to break it to you guys, but throughout this whole video we did not camp, okay? Camping is going out in the woods and building a tent. And apparently my brain couldn't comprehend that because I kept saying we were going camping. We did not camp, guys. We just stayed in an Airbnb and we stayed there for the weekend. But it's still gonna be fun. So without further ado, let's go camping. So this is what I'm wearing. My cute Crocs. I mean, like, can we just take a moment to appreciate them? Look how pretty they are. Got my Red Bull, and I have all my stuff packed already. I'm ready to leave, and I'll see you guys on the road or when we get there. Update, how we're here in this little lake area. Guys, we did make it to the boat ride for just a couple minutes.
I am fucking crazy, but I am free.
So how was it?
It was amazing. I've never done this before. Con tambora pa acabar la chingar.
I tried to scream, but my head was underwater.
So we got here to where we're staying. It smells like my parents' room. It smells like an apartment smell. This is your new house?
Yeah, welcome.
Wow, I love the aesthetic.
The next day.
There's no trees or anything to go under for shade. Like literally no type of trees at all. Everybody's mad. I don't even know where our parents went. Some of them in the pool. The pool? Yeah, big ass pool. Some of them went to go find a spot to stay in. Others are mad. I don't know. But this is funny though to me. Cheers to a good day. Making it work. Bro, you're fucking weird. Bro, what the fuck is wrong? Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm doing it. Why is everybody in such a bad mood? Living life. That's Patricia and Patrick. Say hi to the vlog. Now we're back and we're in a pool now. And
I want to be in your vlog.
oh, you want to be in the vlog, Jaden?
The sun.
Yes, you're free.
We've been together too long. Like a worn-out recording of a favorite song.
We're beating up the beat. That's what we say when we're doing our fist pump. First, we start off banging the ground. We're banging it as the beat builds because that beat's hitting us, so we're fighting back. It's like we beat up that beat.
Beat it up right. 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 Beat it up right.
Oh my god, okay, let's go.
Hey, you gotta fight fire.
The fucking fly. Oh my god. Bro, you know what was scarier? Those fucking flies.
I could have a panic attack right now. Stop.
Early the next morning.
Hey guys, today is Sunday now, and unfortunately the trip is over now, and we packed up all our stuff and now we are ready to leave. I think we're gonna go visit a bit in Austin or something, maybe like in downtown, or a place to go eat in downtown or in Austin. This is Carlos's outfit for the day. Yep. Jackie's outfit. We love it. Cute. Very vacay. This is Brian's outfit. But yeah, guys. We're on our way out now, and I'll see you there. Hey guys, so now we're here. We came by to eat. I'm having horchata. Oh my god.
I'm gonna pass the camera to the one who looks like a dumbass. What?
Here. Hold the phone for her. Pass the phone to whoever.
Pass the phone to someone who annoyed me the whole trip.
Who are you gonna eat to? Oh, okay.
I'm giving the camera to whoever thinks they're very independent and that they're grown.
Like, I don't know what to say.
I'm giving the phone to someone that is literally wearing makeup and we're literally at a beach. At a beach place. Isn't that ridiculous?
She's like,
I'm passing the phone to the horny as fuck.
Should I read? Okay, you convince me. I don't even know if you can hear it.
oh, you know, I'm just me and Kylie.
Janet,
I'm the sister of the blonde one. Chloe. If I had blonde hair. Cheers to being rich.
Danny cheers me for being rich.
I think we're gonna go visit a bit in Austin or something, maybe like in downtown or. So guys, so you can see I look like a whole man right now because we're going kayaking. Life of Kylie. She's gonna go kayaking for the first time. You're in natural habitat right now. Tarzan here with us. Well, right now we're kind of struggling. Ooh, okay. Okay, well. Jackie, are you scared?
Yo?
Miss Kylie Jenner, get out of here! Do not stab me with that. Update, guys. Literally, I thought we were gonna have the best times of our lives. We were very wrong. Actually, I low-key just want to walk back to our parking lot instead of getting back on that canoe with my kayak. So we ended up falling in the water. I had my bag, which inside my bag I had my phone and a tablet and other stuff that's like, okay, whatever, it got wet. And then, to make matters worse, we freaking crashed against a bunch of trees. And look what happened in the moment of the crash.
No, this is whenever we were in the current, the downhill current. Oh yeah, right before we crashed.
When she hit her nail really bad and it cracked in the middle. And if you have nails and you know that when it cracks in the middle, it hurts. So yeah, we are really over it. Anyways, we'll keep you updated. Hey guys, now we made it to the end of the finish line. Let me just tell you, never, ever, ever doing that ever again. Tired? No, right?
I'll do it again.
Fuck no. This was like about 3 hours long, right? 1 out of 5. 5 being what a great experience. I'll give it a 3. Only because I fell, I dropped my phone and the tablet, and because I hurt myself. And towards the end, I was rowing the boat, which I got really, really, really tired. But there's a first time for everything. So yeah.